there, it's SALNÖ, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. This week I'll be introducing the latest 4 products from IKEA. It said that IKEA releases 500 to 600 new seasonal items, and popular ones often sell out quickly, making them hard to find later. So this week I'll be highlighting some must-watch items, so be sure to stay tuned until the end. Let's get started. Here's a display of the fall limited collection, so let me introduce it to you. The garland that looks like dried leaves and the orange cake stand are part of the HÖSTAGILLE collection, which also includes the blankets and cushion covers you see in the background. Although some stores in Japan haven't started selling these yet, they are already available in many countries like the USA. The garland looks cute when displayed like that, don't you think? I think the plates and glasses will be popular, so if you're interested, make sure to keep an eye out for them. Since it was summer vacation, I visited an IKEA in Vancouver, Canada, so you'll see some footage from that trip mixed in. Do you know what this is? It's a bag for storing vegetables. It's been out of stock for a long time at IKEA in Japan, and I found that it was also out of stock at the IKEA in Vancouver. This bag is made of breathable material and has a zipper at the top. You can see that it's somewhat transparent, which helps with ventilation, making it ideal for storing onions, potatoes, and other vegetables. It stands up on its own. The price is very affordable too. You get 2 bags for this price. Here's another popular IKEA tableware series, the STRIMMIG series, which now has a new color. This time, it's a pale gray-green. It looked much lighter in person than it did online. It's a popular series because it looks very high-end. Colors rotate frequently, so if you like it, you should buy it before it's gone. It already seems to be in short supply, but it looks like more stock is expected, so keep an eye on the online store. The mugs also come in the same color. So cute. They're microwave and dishwasher safe. Another popular tableware series is the GLADELIG series, which is super stylish. They've released new small plates. Tableware can be such a temptation, right? You just keep collecting more and more. I always think, stop making cute things, but I still keep looking. These glasses are also new, and once again I was thinking, stop making cute things. The color is stunning. The product information describes it as gray pink. These are dishwasher safe, but there's a note saying that hot food and drinks should be cooled to below 50 degrees C before being placed in the glass. I'm a big fan of IKEA's deep bowls, and they've released a new color. This green color is the latest addition. I have the white ones and I love them because they make mixing ingredients less messy and stress-free. They were also selling these tiny frying pans. They're environmentally friendly, using ceramic coating instead of fluorine coating for non-stick properties. I recently bought the Hemkomst series with the same coating, and so far it's been working great. It's still super smooth. Next, I'll introduce these tail hooks. They've been around for a while, so some of you might find them nostalgic. They used to come only in primary colors, but now they've released a new color. What would you call it? Beige? I decided to give it a try. So, I bought 3 of them. The back looks like this, and you attach them with screws. I was able to remove the stickers cleanly. This time, I decided to install them on a bamboo tray. Instead of drilling holes directly into the wall, I decided to drill into this tray. I even painted the edges white, just for fun. I'm not sure if that was the right choice though. Here's the type of screw I used. Since the bamboo is thin, I wasn't sure if it would hold, but the screws went in. However, it's not suitable for hanging anything too heavy. I also attached these triangular metal hangers to the tray itself. I used hooks for plasterboard from a Japanese store called Seria to attach the tray to the wall. I hung it near the entrance. Doesn't it look kind of funny? It's like the heads are stuck in the wall. The hooks are large, so it's now easier to hang hats that were difficult to store before. Anyway, back to the store footage. Next, I'd like to show you a product I personally like. The INDIRA multi-cover. I had the white one, but they've now released a new color, natural beige. It's great as a bedspread, and I used it as a sofa cover when my kids were little. It has just the right thickness. If it's too thin, it looks cheap, and if it's too thick, it's hard to wash and store. This one is just perfect in my opinion. The natural beige color looks very easy to use and versatile. In my video last week, I mentioned that the foldable bags were out of stock, but when I checked online, I saw that some stores still had them. You can order them from other stores by phone or chat, so be sure to check them out. This bag was very useful when I shopped at IKEA in Vancouver. It has a zipper and a shoulder strap, so it's perfect for travel. You can see that the white part is slightly transparent. It's just the right size, and it folds up small like this. The price is very reasonable, so check it out online. Normally, online orders are fulfilled by your nearest store, but you can get it from other stores by phone or chat, so give it a try. IKEA is known for its stylish lighting, and they've introduced some new design-focused LED bulbs. These slightly smaller bulbs come in two glass colors, brown and gray. Be aware that the prices differ depending on the color. You can pair them with a lamp base to create a table lamp, or you can use them with a cord set and hang them up, which is something I personally like to do. Currently, I'm using the IKEA bulb and cord set that I bought from Amazon as a plug-in beside my bed. In my previous video, the KALLAX with a desk, or is it a desk with KALLAX, got a lot of attention. So I'm showing it here as it's displayed in the room set. It's very compact, so it won't take up much space even if you place it in a corner of your living room. There's also a point I wanted to discuss further from last time. You can attach the shelf part on either side. It's hard to see from here, but the tabletop is designed so that you can clamp things to it. The desk I'm using now, Mika, doesn't have that feature, which is a bit disappointing. Since you can clamp things, it's easier to install a desk lamp. The official website shows it with a Scodius pegboard set up like this. On the desk side, I also created a storage and workspace next to the dining area. I've matched the height with Besto and Mickey, but with this KALLAX and KALLAX desk, you can align both the height and depth, so you can create a very streamlined storage and desk corner. Next, let me show you some new items from the dining chair section. There are new rattan chairs and benches available. They have a natural feel and look great. Depending on how you use cushions, there are lots of ways to style them. Amazingly, the single chairs are available for small parcel delivery. However, the large bench is considered a large item and will be treated as such. In my previous post, I received a lot of comments on how to use the fabric cuttings. Thank you so much for sharing your ideas. It's great to be able to see everyone's suggestions, and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you very much. I finally bought this dining chair. I've wanted it for so long. I was able to buy it at 10% off during a summer vacation campaign. I checked some reviews from other countries, and they described it as a nightmare. Apparently, assembling it is a nightmare. Whether it was actually a nightmare or not, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I really appreciate your likes and comments. See you soon in the next video.